This is old school shit. Aluminum tape. And then they put Bondo on it. Same style hole, same aluminum tape. This is what we got to deal with. Plus, now I got to look in here because that's been played with too. Oh, guess what we got? Aluminum tape with Bondo. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? More aluminum tape with Bondo. Come on.
I made sure that he gave me the adjustable ones. Yeah. I said, send me the short adjustable ones. Whatever the short length was, make sure they're the short ones are the two. Correct.
So the reason why we got these adjustable control arms,
oh, it's double adjustable.
They say that they give them to drag cars or whatever. So I guess we're building a drag car now for Mr. KT. You just brought him in. It's Raed Tech, good quality. Like Mr. Rich just said, it's double adjustable for those of y'all that
love that shit.
Stuck along with the videos for the first Pontiac video we did. You noticed that one side we couldn't get the line up, but Mr. Rich, once we took it off to inspect, we seen that we had two different lengths. One was 18 and a half, the other was 19 and a half, which had the one side obviously kicked to the back. Well, now we got the adjustabilities to get everything dialed in where we wanted it, and then we could blow everything apart and paint it and make it look pretty like we did to the front. So stay tuned, guys. We got some good look. We've been waiting on these pieces. Everybody's salivating at the shop. Now we can really do it. If you come inside, you can see on the Pontiac right now what we're doing.
Look at this.
This is the Raed Tech coilover kit that replaces the leaf spring that this car originally had. Right now we have the car on jack stands. We could put the lower trailing arms to it, and then now we can sit it on the way to the car.
Look, they look like Santa, you see it? They do. You don't even see it, you know what's there.
When you have customers like we have at VTSV Auto, they come in with spreadsheets, no bullshit. You know what I'm saying? We don't want that Roger Ramsey and shit. Everything calculated, and he got a copy, so he know it's here. You know what I'm saying? Big. You remember when I gave you this? Yeah. So we good, man. We got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, whatever comes in, you know what I mean, on back orders, those 3 little things and all that. You know, these little things. You know, the little door ends, the door shit.
Okay.
Yeah,
it's the armory.
Yeah.
So just letting you know, we found out we have an interior job to do now on the Monte Carlo as well. So we're going beyond. Okay, all right, no problem. You know, that's Chill Will at his finest. He came in one day, y'all, with a carpet. I'm like, what's the carpet for? He said, yeah, y'all, when you go back together, just put all that in. I said, okay, all right, no problem.
You might as well give it to me finished, right?
Yeah. A lot of stuff he ordered, these are restoration parts. This is OPGI brand of their, I guess, signature series type of restoration parts, like remanufactured part. They made it to like OE specs or better. So that's I got a lot of my stuff for my emblems and stuff for my caddy for it.
It's all there, bro.
You showed me, this is a hen, so this is another, it's a brand new hen. So the hens you see he had on there, it's like I tell a lot of customers, like, every bolt pretty much would be brand new. Like, why would we take your old rusty bolts that we took off the car that was on the car from the 70s and put it back on the car after all the work that we did? So I told Mr. Will, man, get me some hinges. These are brand new hinges for the 1970 Monte Carlo. We got brand new door latches going in, brand new strikers going in. So when the door shuts, everything will be crisp, smooth. You know, you won't have any of the, you know, the lag that you would had we went back with the old. Like a lot of, we done did cars and reused the same hinge and stuff like that. But then sometimes you can see the door might have a little sag. You know, we don't want that here at VTSV, you know. The brand new latch when it goes in. So we got one latch. So we could build the door. We probably got enough to build one door, put it on, get it closed and smooth. And then by that time, that's a trunk latch. All of the latches will be smooth, so if you know, everything operates properly like it did in 1970, or probably even better, because the technology that they're using to remake these parts are better than what they did in the 70s. The way that they're going about it is different now than what they did in the 70s. So all of your door lock mechanisms, so your two doors, trunk.
That's what you asked for.
Yeah, so.
I'm out.
My brother, chill will.
All right, my next time.
You know, I can get these, you know, edges. You know, the DA, I cannot get, you know, to these edges and corners. So that's the best. So that's the best thing for, you know, getting all these corners right here and here and here, because this is good only for a flat surface, you know, only for flat, you know, UDA flat things. But corners like this, you have to have these kind of things.
Never notice what you'll find in these cars once you go to searching. But like I said, all cars have a story. If you remember, this car came with 3 holes on the back of it. Not even asking the customer, I knew the convertible was probably used in the parade. Certain states have certain restrictions and things, that requirements that you have to do to be in a parade. So they probably had to put those marker lights that was here. The hose was left open, and you also seen like a little dip in the hose as well for whenever they put the hole in it. When they drilled it, it probably pushed the metal down. Obviously, we had to raise the metal back up. You'll see the metal pretty much raised up now. All of the holes are welded in, and we got it back level. Raed did a lot of metal fabrication, patch panel, wheel clearance adjustment, everything for the car that we normally do for any of these cars. We know that for a 26-inch wheel, we got to make clearance. It was a double win because you had to do a patch panel for the rust that was there. We also remember all of the work that he did to both of the doors. All of that work is done, so now at this point it's time to just do body work. The front clip is done. We're gonna show you the hood, what process we're in on the hood right now. It's about done. I did speak with a customer in Alabama. I told him I think we should go with the Kendigger design, straight handles like we did on the Caddy. I think it'll look real good. We're gonna weld this hole up and just give him some power on the inside whenever we want to get in, but unlock the door, but it'll have that seamless look that I love so much out of those handles, so stay tuned, that's coming. FYI. And just check out the hood. You know, the time, like me and Raed was talking about this the other day, the time of preparation that goes in these hoods is second to none. He's almost done with it. We stripped it to the metal. You've seen the process of that. And then every low spot, we worked it up, body worked it, blocked it, you know, blocked it again and again, and now we're fine-tuning it. It's almost where we wanted it at VTSV Auto. So a lot of good work that's going in on it, you know. Stay tuned, Alabama, we're gonna do you proud.
Just Victor missed out. Victor missed the whole hood up, you know, just a little corner, you know. So he was like moving some things around when the primer is like still wet and the dust, you know, stick on it. So we cannot do nothing until, you know, the whole hood dry, well dry. Then just re-block it and re-prime it, you know. So that's something simple.
I take full responsibility. This is the culprit. It wasn't the ADT guy. He's full professional. He's handling his job the right way. It wasn't him. It was me. I tried to throw the damn box and it flung a little dust that was on it, unbeknownst to me, you know. So that was on me, Raed. Don't strangle him. That was on me, man.
He put me behind in the hood again, you know, when I was ahead, you know.
Tell now, you know, the hood is good. You can look at it from all different angles. You don't see any, you know, deviations, any dips or anything like that. So it's a good job, and you know, we just bought it in the booth to be extra precautionary because you know, most of the time, you know, those paint jobs and any kind of car that we build here is not necessarily the 8 things that we did right. You know, it's the 2 things that we probably overlooked. So those are the things we necessarily focusing on, not necessarily how good of a job you did, but what can we do better next time. So everything that we learn from one car, we take it to the next project. So stay tuned, man. VTSV Auto, we got some good things coming.